episode of So today, guys, we're going to be unboxing this really cool game called Exploding Kittens. Throw it to me, Uncle Ben. Let's unbox this kitten. So now let's get our first look. Right away, it looks like there's the rule books and 2 decks of cards. Me and Uncle Ben will go over the rules and show you how to play. So to simplify it, this is how things work. Each player starts with 7 cards plus 1 diffuse card. Each player takes turns drawing cards until they draw an exploding kitten card. When they draw that card, they're out, unless they have a diffuse card, but you can only use it once. But when you draw any other card, in brackets, it'll have an action you have to do. Each card has a type, and they all do different things. If you don't quite understand, you can buy the game for yourself. We don't have much time left. Say bye, Uncle Ben!